Adverbs can be placed at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a sentence. For a sentence to sound correct, an adverb has to be put in the correct place. Read this pair of sentences. Jane will today go to the doctor's. Jane will go to the doctor's today. Which of the two sentences sound better? Yes, the second sentence sounds better as the adverb today is placed correctly in the sentence. Let's go through the rules of placing adverbs correctly in a sentence. Adverbs of manner, time, and place are generally positioned after the verb, the object if there is one, or after the verb complement. Let's look at these examples. Hazel answered the questions correctly. Polly is leaving for Bangkok tomorrow. Please don't stand here. In the first sentence, correctly is an adverb of manner and is placed after the object questions. In the second sentence, tomorrow is an adverb of time and comes after the verb is leaving and the complement for Bangkok. In the last sentence, here is an adverb of place and comes after the verb stand. Let us now see how the adverbs of frequency and degree are placed in sentences. Such adverbs can be positioned between the subjects and the verbs. For example, we seldom visit our village. Seldom is an adverb of frequency placed between the subject we and the verb visit. Similar is the case in these sentences. They usually go to the park in the evening. I almost fell down laughing. If the verb consists of an auxiliary or modal verb and a main verb, we place an adverb of frequency after the auxiliary or the modal verb. I would never make this mistake. She has already packed for the picnic. When we use the verbs is, am, are, was, or were, adverbs of frequency are placed after the verbs. For example, he is always talking on the phone. I am generally at church on Sundays. Adverbs of frequency and degree are generally placed before the auxiliaries have to and used to. I sometimes have to cook myself. They always used to be late for school. What happens when we want to use two or more adverbs in a sentence? How will we decide which adverb to put first? In such a case, we arrange the adverbs in the following order. The adverb of manner comes first. It is followed by the adverb of place and then by the adverb of time. For example, she danced beautifully there yesterday. Here, beautifully is an adverb of manner and is placed first. It is followed by the adverb of place, there, and the adverb of time, yesterday, comes last. Adverbs that modify adjectives and other adverbs are positioned before adjectives or adverbs. You are behaving rather badly. The adverb rather modifies another adverb, badly, and is placed before the adverb it modifies. This water is extremely cold. In this sentence, the adverb extremely modifies the adjective cold. It is placed before the adjective it modifies. Let's see how the adverbs enough and only are placed in a sentence. The adverb enough always comes after the word it modifies. For example, you are old enough to tie your shoelaces. The adverb only is usually placed immediately before the word we wish to draw attention to. I bought only one shirt. Only 3 people attended the meeting. You can change the password only once.